Do you ever look in the mirror and wish your nose looked a little slimmer without surgery, makeup, or filters? Well, what if I told you there are natural ways to tone, shape, and define your nose right from home? Stay with me till the end, because you'll learn simple facial exercises and daily habits that can actually make your nose look slimmer over time. First, let's clear a myth you can't literally shrink bone or cartilage without surgery. But what you can do is reduce puffiness, tone facial muscles, and enhance symmetry, which makes your nose appear slimmer and more defined. The secret is consistency daily exercises and posture awareness. Place your index finger right under the tip of your nose. Now gently push it upward while you flex your nose downwards. Hold for 3 seconds and repeat 10 times. This movement strengthens the nasalis muscle it lifts and tones the tip, helping prevent sagging as you age. Smile as wide as you can and gently push your nose upward using your index finger. Hold that smile for 5 seconds, feel the stretch and release. This exercise helps define the muscles around your cheeks and nose, giving a more lifted appearance over time. Press your fingertip gently at the tip of your nose and push slightly downward. Now breathe out through your nose with pressure not too strong. This builds control over the lower nose muscles and can reduce the droopy look some people notice in selfies. Massage can also make a visible difference. Use your index and middle fingers to slide from the bridge of your nose outward toward your cheeks. Repeat this for 1 minute daily. It improves blood flow and reduces fluid retention. And remember, stay hydrated, get enough sleep, and avoid too much salt. These small things reduce swelling and make your facial features naturally sharper. No surgery, no filters. Just small daily habits that bring out your best natural look. Start today, stay consistent, and within a few weeks you'll see your nose looking more toned and defined. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who'd love to try it too.